Today we'll start with the new chapter, chapter 12, that is Heron's formula. So this is the totally new chapter for you, that which we have not discussed in any of the earlier classes. Before we go for the introduction of the chapter, that what basically the chapter is all about, let us recall that what is we have learned which relate with this. So if I'll draw the shape, you must be identify that it is a triangle. So we know that there are three types of triangle on the basis of the sides. We can say equilateral, where all the three sides are same; isosceles, any of the two sides are same; and scalene. Now if I do the sum of all the sides called perimeter, and if I construct an altitude from any of the vertex to its opposite side, so we can say AM is perpendicular to BC. So AM is an altitude. Now we discussed in the earlier classes that what is the formula to find out the area of triangle. So we all know this, that is half into its corresponding base. We can write normally base, and this altitude is drawn on the base. So that is the length of altitude. So for this triangle I can write it is half into BC into AM. Why BC and AM? Because AM is the altitude on base BC. So we have to write down the corresponding base of an altitude. So if we have the altitude we can find out, and if we have the length of the base, it's quite easy to find out the area of triangle. This is the normal triangle. If it is a right angle triangle, if I'll draw here, so I'll give name triangle PQR. If it is a right angle, we know one of the angle must be right angle. So again the formula remains same. Half into, we can consider this as a base and this as a height. So it is half into, for this area we can say that half into QR into PQ. Even you can find out the area if it is an isosceles or equilateral triangle given. When the equilateral triangles are given, let's consider one example for an equilateral triangle. If they have given, we know equilateral, that means the length of all the sides are same. And if I'll draw an altitude here, so this altitude also become the midpoint. So by using this Pythagoras, because we have the xz, we can find out the length of this. हमारे पास xz है, हमारे पास yz है, because all are same. So this must be half of it and we can find it out. If it is an isosceles, that also we can go for it, which is by the same method. Now what we are going to learn, this whole chapter is all about the area of triangle. Now if we do not have the length of altitude, or the triangle is not an equilateral, or it is not an isosceles, if it is a scalene triangle where the length of all the sides are different, it's called scalene triangle, जिसके सारे sides के length अलग अलग है. Suppose it is A, B and C, where A, B, C are totally different numbers than each other. So now how to find out the area of this triangle when you don't have the length of altitude, or it is not an equilateral or isosceles triangle? मतलब आपके पास तीनों साइड्स है, तो हम एरिया कैसे ढूंढेंगे इस ट्राइंगल का? दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द चैप्टर, दैट इज द हेरोन. ही वाज वन ऑफ द ग्रेटेस्ट मैथमेटिशियन, हैज गिवन द फॉर्मूला. सो हियर द फॉर्मूला टू फाइंड आउट द एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल. एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल इज, it is S. I'll explain what is that S. A is one of the side, S minus B, which is in the product, and S minus C, and the whole square root. Where A, B and C are sides of triangle. It is not compulsory A is the opposite side of angle A, B is the opposite. No. You can write this A, this B, this C, and vice versa. You can change it. But ABC are considered as three sides of the given triangle. Now the question, what is S? So S is semi-perimeter. सेमी पेरीमीटर मतलब पेरीमीटर का आधा. So S is sum of all the sides which is perimeter and half of it. So S is semi perimeter. So remember students, this is the formula which we are going to use in this whole chapter. Area of triangle. To find out the area we require semi perimeter, which we'll find out by this method. When all the three sides are given, we'll find out the semi perimeter. Then from semi perimeter we should always get the area. एक चीज हम हमेशा ध्यान रखेंगे कि लेंथ ऑफ सेमी पैरीमीटर एस इज ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन द वैल्यूज ऑफ ए बी एंड सी. हमेशा तीनों साइड में सबसे बड़ा, तीनों साइड से बड़ा ही वैल्यू होगा एस. सेमी पैरीमीटर इज ऑलवेज अ लार्जर वैल्यू देन ऑल द थ्री साइड्स. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द एक्सरसाइज एंड विल डू द सम्स. Let's start with the first question. As it is given a traffic signal board indicating school ahead. हमने देखा है कई जगह पे लिखा आता है कि school ahead, that is a traffic signal. Which is an equilateral triangle. मतलब यहाँ पे अंदर लिखा है school ahead, which is in this form. The length of the side of this triangle is given, that is A. Find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. This is one. Another question, if the perimeter is 180, then what will be the area of the signboard? So students, remember here we are going to derive one formula for area of an equilateral triangle in Heron's formula. हम यहाँ पे एक formula derive कर रहे हैं Heron's formula की, but if it is an equilateral triangle. Okay, so according to the Heron's formula, first we require to find out the semi perimeter. Semi perimeter is sum of all the sides divided by 2. As we know it's an equilateral triangle, so all sides are same. So we can say S is equals to 3a upon 2. This is what we obtain. Now according to the Heron's formula, let's find out the area of triangle ABC. As we know the formula, that is S minus A, S minus B and S minus C and the whole square root. We have to just substitute the value of S, that is 3a upon 2. S is 3a upon 2 minus A. S is 3a upon 2. This is S I have substituted minus A. S is 3 upon 2. We know that all the sides are same. So instead of B I have written again the same value, that is A. One more time, 3 upon 2 minus A. So you can see that this is what I have done. I have substituted the value of S as well as instead of all the sides I have written A. Now we all know that how to simplify this. So now let us simplify. This first outside term, that is 3a upon 2, should remain as it is. Now let's see how we can simplify this. So understand, we have to take the LCM. So it comes 3a minus 2 into a, that is 2a upon 2. So it comes a by 2. This is what the simplification of all the terms, all the brackets we obtain. हर एक bracket का simplification क्या आएगा? a by 2. So I'll just note it down, a by 2, a by 2 and a by 2. Don't forget to write down the square root. I hope you understand how this a by 2 exists from these three brackets. This is what I explained here. Now let us find out the square root. So you can see it is 3. A is how many times? It is 4 times. And 2 is how many times? It is 4 times again. If we want to remove the square root, so this both are the perfect squares should be written outside. So I'll write the constant term first, that is root 3. Because 3 is not a perfect square, so should remain as it is. इसका स्क्वायर रूट करेंगे तो आएगा 2 square into the square root of this is a square. How I have done the square root? I have half the power. मैंने पावर का आधा कर दिया. That is 4 become 2 and 4 become 2. Remember students, whenever you have to do the square root, so look at the power. If the power is even number, then we can do the half of it. अगर पावर ऑड होता तो that will do that into the next questions. हम आगे के questions में ये पढ़ेंगे. So here this is the area of triangle we obtain. The formula that area of triangle ABC, this is root 3 square of 2, that is 4 into a square. So remember students, whenever in the further questions we obtain an equilateral triangle and we have to find out the area of triangle, we use root 3 by 4 into a is the side. So root 3 by 4 into side square. So हम ये formula use करेंगे. Now let us continue with the sum as it is mentioned that if the perimeter of this triangle, हमें triangle का perimeter दे दिया ये question में. So what we are going to do, where the perimeter is given of this triangle, so first we'll go to find out the length of side. तीनों का addition मिला के क्या दिया है? This is the semi perimeter. So that is sum of this divided. हमें ये ढूंढने की जरूरत नहीं है. We need to find out A. So let's find out that for triangle ABC, in the question, they have given the length of perimeter, that is 180 centimeter. So what is the length of each side? हम उसको A बोल सकते हैं. So it is obviously 1/3 of this given because there are 3 equal sides. So the length of A is 60 centimeter. So we obtain the length of side. As it is question, we have to find out the area. So let's go to find out the area of this triangle. So area of triangle ABC by Heron's formula is root 3 by 4 into side square. So root 3 by 4, as the value of A is 60, so 2 times should be written 60 into 60. 15 4s are 15 6 are 90, so it is 900 root 3 centimeter square. So this will be the area of this triangular signboard which has written school ahead. I hope students you obtain this. Thank you. Let's continue with the second, and it is an important question. See here it is given that a triangular side wall of a flyover. So they are talking about this triangular side wall. It's a flyover. They have been used for the advertisement. We know that students, we are observing that these are the advertisement which are, we use word holdings are there. This is the flyover and this is the advertisement board which is in the triangular shape. The sides of the walls are given 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meter as it is given in the diagram. The advertisements yield an earning of rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. मतलब ये चार्जेस बताया है 5,000 rupees per meter square per year. This is the cost. A company hired this, one of the company hired this. Its wall for the 3 months. How much rent did they pay? Question में क्या पूछा है कि one of the company hired this for 3 months. See, that is an important. And the charge they have given, that is rupees 5,000 meter square per year. मगर कोई एक कंपनी को 1 साल के लिए नहीं लेना है, सिर्फ 3 महीने के लिए लेना है. ओके, तो व्हाट द बेसिक इन दिस क्वेश्चन, ये क्वेश्चन में बेसिक ये है कि लेट्स फाइंड आउट व्हाट विल बी द एरिया बिकॉज दे हैव गिवन द चार्ज पर मीटर स्क्वायर which is correlate with the area. As we discussed that the unit of area is square meter, square centimeter. So let us first we'll find out the area of this region triangular. Then we'll find out the rent that company has to give. So let's consider that this triangle is an ABC. So for triangle ABC, the value of A that is 122 meter. हम किसी को भी A ले सकते हैं, doesn't matter. The value of B that is 22 and the value of C is 120. Now let's first find out the semi perimeter S that is A plus B plus C by 2. A is 122, B is 22 and C is 120 whole upon 2. So this is 4, 6 and 2, 264 upon 2. So 132 meter. As the semi perimeter is there, so it must be in meter. Now let's go to find out the area of this. Now we'll go and find out the area of this triangular region by using the Heron's formula because we have all the three sides. So area of triangle ABC, again we'll use the Heron's formula. Remember students, you have to write down the formula in each and every question when you are solving this. It is compulsory. The value of S, that is 132, as we discussed in the earlier also, that the value of S is always greater than all the three sides. तीनों साइड में जो बड़ा है उससे भी बड़ा ही वैल्यू होना चाहिए. You should remember 132 minus A, 132 minus B, and 132 minus C. Let us simplify this. So it's 132 into, the subtraction of this two is 10, the subtraction of this two is 110, and the subtraction of this two is 1212. Now what? How to find out the square root? So remember students, let's find out the prime factors of each and every term. That is the easiest way to do. थोड़ा लंबा होगा मगर सबसे इजी है. आप प्रोडक्ट करोगे फिर पता कैसे चलेगा ये किसका स्क्वायर है. तो इट इज बेटर विल फाइंड आउट द प्राइम फैक्टर्स ऑफ दिस. सो 132, लेट्स फाइंड आउट द प्राइम फैक्टर्स ऑफ दैट. 2 6 6, 233, 311 and 11 1. So the prime factors of 132, that is 2 times 2, 3 and 11. Okay. Now 10. 10 we know it is 2 into 5. 110 में ऑलरेडी एक 10 है. So उस 10 का 2 into 5 और 11 is, see 5 2s are 10 into 11, 110. 12, 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12. So these are the prime factors: 132, 10, 110 and 12. Now let's write down that how many times 2 is there. अब 2 कितनी बार है उसको लिखेंगे. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So 6 times 2 is there. अब देखेंगे 3 कितनी बार है. 1 2. Let's see how many times 5 is there. 1 2. And how many times 11 is there? Again it is of 2 times, 1 and 2. So we can see here that we got all the digits are in the even numbers. तो इसका स्क्वायर रूट इजीली हो जाएगा. When we do the square root of this, remember we have to do the half of the power. ये सब इवन है इसीलिए हाफ हो जाएगा. अगर ऑड होता तो अगेन विल कंटिन्यू इन वन ऑफ द सम. तो क्या करेंगे स्क्वायर रूट में? 2 3, फिर 3 अकेला, इट्स 5 into 11. आई हैव डन द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ ऑल द नंबर्स. देखो मैंने पावर हाफ कर दिया. 6 का आधा 3, 2 का 1, 2 का 1, 2 का 1. नाउ विल गो फॉर द मल्टीप्लीकेशन ऑफ ऑल दिस. इन सबका मल्टीप्लीकेशन करेंगे. 5 को मैं 2 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करके 10 साइड में लिख देता हूं. अब क्या बचा? 11 into 3 into 4. 11 into 3 33, 33 into 4. So 132. 132 into 0. So 1320 meter square. So now what we obtain here? This is the value of the area of this triangle. ये ट्राइंगल का हमें क्या मिला यहाँ पे? We got the area. Now remember students, one more value is given into the question which we have to find out in this question. हमें ये question में क्या ढूंढना है? So in this question we have to find out the cost. हमें cost देखना है. So let's come to that simplify. अब हम वो simplification कर रहे हैं. For that simplification, let us see that what they have given. They have given the cost for 1 year. So meter square cost for 1 year, month. So what cost they have given? 5,000 per meter square. The cost is given. It's not meter square. I think we should write down rupees per meter square. The cost. 5,000 रुपए पर मीटर स्क्वायर 12 महीने के लिए, मतलब 1 साल के लिए. Now if you read the question, they have given into this, ये कंपनी ये एडवर्टाइजमेंट 3 महीने के लिए लेना चाहिए. So for 3 months, what will be the cost per meter square? So let's go for the cross multiplication. So it is 3 into 5,000 upon 12. So 3 4s are 12. I'll cut with 4. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 5s are 20. So we'll obtain 1250 per meter square the cost. Remember students, this is the cost which we obtain here. ये cost क्या है? This is the cost per meter square for 3 months. क्यों 3 महीने के लिए हमने ढूंढा? As it is mentioned into the question that we have to find out the cost. मतलब ये कंपनी 3 महीने के लिए हायर कर रही है इसको. That is why we need to go for 3 months. Now we have the area. We have the cost per meter square. तो चलो ढूंढते हैं. So meter square and rupees cost, that is for the rent, or we can say per meter square as we obtain here. The cost is 1250. What is the total meter square? The area is 1320. So 1320, what will be the cost? So we will do the product of this 1320 into 1250. When you do the cost, that is the product of this to 1320 into 1250, the answer comes 16540. So you can see that the company is spending 16,50,000 rupees. 16,50,000 रुपए एडवर्टाइजमेंट के लिए कंपनी दे रही है. So this is the final answer. We can say that whatever here it is asked that how much company rent did it pay. So we can say that company paid rupees 16,50,000 for 3 months rent. It's quite expensive, but remember students, it is true. This much what they are spending. Thank you.